Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the process of using Monday.com for executive reporting. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account. The reason we start here is simple. It's the gateway to all the processes we're about to undertake. Once you're logged in, you're going to head over to your dashboard. This is where you'll find a holistic overview of all ongoing projects and tasks. Now that we've done that, our next step is to navigate to the Reports section. This is where you will create and manage all your executive reports. To create a new report, click on the New button and select Executive Report from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it ensures that we're creating the right kind of report for our needs. Now here's where things get interesting. You'll need to customize your report according to your specific needs. You can add different widgets to display data in various formats, be it charts, graphs, or tables. The reason we do this is to present our data in a way that's visually appealing and easy to understand for our executives. Remember, the goal here is to provide a clear snapshot of your project or task status. So, select the widgets that best represent your data. Let me explain why this matters. The better you can visualize your data, the more effectively you can communicate your progress and any potential challenges. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content of your report, it's time to share it with your executives. To do this, click on the Share button, enter the email addresses of your recipients, and hit Send. And there we have it. That's how you use Monday.com to create an executive report. In conclusion, Monday.com offers a powerful and flexible platform for executive reporting. By following these steps, you can create meaningful, visually appealing reports that accurately reflect the status of your projects. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a Monday.com pro. Until next time.